Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix music not playing on leisure. So if music isn't playing in this app on your iPhone, it's usually caused by in-app settings, audio routing, or device restrictions. So actually guys, first you will need to check the in-app music volume. So inside a workout, you will need to open the audio controls and make sure that the music volume is not at the zero, and also check the coach and music balance if both exist. So it's common for music to be accidentally muted while coach audio still works. And also guys, you will need to check the iPhone volume plus silence mode. So you will need to press the volume up and make sure your iPhone is not on the silent mode. And why not checking the Bluetooth output? And to do that, you will need just swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and then just tap and hold here the section and then tap and hold the Bluetooth option. Go with Bluetooth settings, it's below that pop-up menu. So right here guys, you will need to disconnect and use the headphones and speakers, okay, and even reconnect the correct device if needed, because the music may be going somewhere else, okay. And also guys, I really advise you to force closing or open the app. How so? You all need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close the letter completely. How so? You only swipe it up as well. And now wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen it and start the workout again. And also guys, you will need to do a quick check to your internet connection because the music often streams, okay. So you will need to swipe down from the top right of your phone, go ahead and tap and hold this section right here, and here you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid weak or unstable connections. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.